I have come up with the, I think, the perfect gift that a grandfather can give his family. And that gift is a rechargeable battery and battery charger. I think it's a perfect gift. It's something you can give that they will use every day, and they'll think about you all the time for years to come, and it hopefully won't go in the trash. Anyway, this is a combination by Duracell. It is a combination. It's got 4 rechargeable AA batteries. They're NIMH batteries, and it comes with a charger. And you can recharge these batteries up to 1,000 times before they start losing their, until it's time to recycle them. And they're not the only ones that make it. This is a Energizer, very similar package. It's got 4 rechargeable AA NIMH batteries and a charger. And kind of show you, I use, I've got an Energizer and a Duracell one I personally use. And I use them all the time. And I'm slowly getting rid of all of our old non-rechargeable AA and AAA batteries and replace them with rechargeable. And I had some that I had stashed for emergencies, just in part of my disaster preparedness. And so we're going through those now and recycling those. And then I'm replacing them with rechargeable batteries. They're not real expensive. The combination 4 batteries and charger from both Duracell and from Energizer was about $15. So you can get started in using rechargeable batteries for a very low entry point, and replacing batteries is not that expensive either. These 4-pack of Energizer AA batteries that are rechargeable, I think they were about $2.50 a piece, so it's about $10 for a 4-pack. You can get them cheaper if you shop around. I just picked these up the other day. And then Amazon has Amazon Basic. These are 4 AAA batteries. They're rechargeable. And I got these in a 12-pack. And for a 12-pack, they were about $1 a piece for batteries. So it's cheaper to buy rechargeable batteries than it is to buy non-rechargeable batteries. And they last a long time. You can recharge these up to 1,000 times before it's time to recycle them. So they can last for years and years and years. And if you give them as a gift to your grandkids, they'll think about you all the time. It's also an educational tool to teach your children and your grandchildren the importance of not throwing everything away, but recycling and using items as long as you can before you then recycle them. And a lot of municipalities do say, and the packaging will say that they may be safe to put them in, they may be landfill safe, but you still do not want to, if you can, trash them. You want to save them and take them somewhere that will recycle them and reuse them. These batteries, these rechargeable batteries, have up to 22%, these particular ones, of recycled materials. So they are using recycled batteries to create new rechargeable batteries. So it's a good cycle to start, and it never hurts to teach your children the importance of recycling. And I hope you enjoyed my great video today. I think it's a great gift for grandfathers. I don't know why I didn't think about it a couple of years ago, but it's a great gift for your children and your grandchildren, and they'll think about you often. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope something good happens to you today. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.